Michael, hi. What are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing my very good Tito po, si Tito Armand Removo. He styled and designed this barong. So, it's a modern Filipiniano. So, I texted him, sabi ko, pwede po ito magpagawa. He put his own twist to it. So, ito po, song.
Paano naging modern Filipiniana? Ano yun? Ano itong mga
Well, sabi ko kasi typical barong is brown, right? Light brown. So, kinuha niya black. And then, nilagay niya ng mga accents dito. So, para may shining shimmer ng konti.
Okay, Michael, gusto yun ko lang Shining Inheritance.
Oo.
How is it? How's your taping going?
Yes, patapos na po ang Shining Inheritance. So we're on our few last taping moments. So medyo mixed emotions, excited na ako, patapos na, malapit nyo na makita, pinaghirapan namin. But of course, miss ko yung cast namin. Miss ko yung bonding moments. Ayun talaga pong Filipino twist namin dito. Yun